Hello everyone. Today I want to introduce one small tip in Microsoft Excel tool on how to count the unique value from a series of the value or the information. So I want to keep this one. So let's do this. So sometimes you may face one list of the numbers or one list of the characters that is easily you will count, but how you count the unique value, it will be challenged. So I will introduce the unique function for you. So first is let's count on the number. So I generate our random number. So use the rand. You can generate one random number between 0 to 1. Let's times this 10 times. Then you get our random number. And then let's round up to ensure we can get some complete some kind of those is repeatable. So here you can see you have several lines of the same number. So let's consider the count. So if you do the count of this list, then you get is 29. So let's make this to our 30. So let's see. So you have 30 rows, but you cannot have this unique one. So what I want to introduce is if you put this count and you put unique, and using this unique to make this range inside, then what you get is you will get this unique the number count. So from 0 to 10, you have a total different value is 11, but you have the total volume of these numbers is 30. So you may ask is, well, I can also use CountA. So CountA, if I choose this range, I also got 30. If I use CountA with unique, with this one, you also get this 10. So that means if here is a number, you don't have the difference between count and the CountA. But if I put this name, so let's see, I will have our maybe it's AAA. So I put is several and BBB is several and CCC. So I just try to duplicate 30 numbers of the different character. Let's see here the compare. So count is this one. You get 0 because count is only count by numeric the value. So here is a string, so you cannot get count. But if you use CountA here, so you get 30. So similarly, if I put count unique, actually that's not make sense. So just for comparison, so you keep get 0. But here, if I use CountA and with the unique, you select these 30 columns, rows, then you get 3. So I hope it's through this small demo, you know the first is the difference between count and the CountA, and the secondly, the key thing is introduce our unique function. Through this unique function, you can get the total number of the unique number from our series of the number or strings. Thanks for watching. Hope to share more tips with you in the future the videos. Welcome to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.